How to use the built-in image editor in Squarespace. So for this one, I'll just select this image, and in here you can see this pencil icon. Now this is the edit option, and then once you have done that, we have in here this. So click on this edit right here again onto your image, and then from in there, this will load in order to open up the built-in image editor of Squarespace. So doing that will let you adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and a lot more based on this particular image. So for example, let's decrease the brightness, and then let's also tweak some things here and there. For example, the sharpness, blur, you can head over and then just tweak them to your liking. And once you're done, you can head over and also apply some filters as well. To do that, just click on this filter icon, and you can see some filters option from in here that you can choose from. So once you're done, just click on this save option in order to save the changes you have made onto this image. So that's how you use the built-in image editor in Squarespace. Hope you helped.